How to fix a DPC watchdog violation in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix a DPC watchdog violation in Windows 10 or 11, then you just need to simply right click on your Windows and then go with the device manager option. Now under device manager, you will have disk drives. You just need to simply enlarge it, and here you will have your drive, right? So right click on it and then go with the update driver option and go with browse my computer for drivers, and let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then go with the next. And once you've done that, close. And here it says that your heart rate settings have been changed, so you just need to simply restart your computer. So you just need to simply go and restart your computer, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. And after that, remove that, and you just need to simply go with your settings. Open up your settings app and go with the Windows update, which is on the bottom left. And here you just need to simply go with check for updates, and if you have any update, you just need to simply update your Windows. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply remove all of the external things like mouse, keyboard, and everything for a few minutes. And once you've removed all of that, check if your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply remove, like if your mouse is causing the problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the device manager. And under your device manager, you can go with your mouse, or if your keyboard is causing the problem, you can go with the keyboard. So if your mouse is causing the problem, you can simply right click on your mouse, go with the update driver and browse my computer for drivers, and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Go with next and update your drivers of your mouse if it is causing the problem. Or you can go with keyboard. If it is causing the problem, you can update the driver for keyboard and your problem might be fixed. And if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with the search and search for CMD command prompt and go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command, which is sfc space / scan now, and then hit the enter, and it will scan your computer. And it might take some time, like 5 to 7 minutes. And once it scans your computer, your problem will be fixed. You just need to simply restart your device, and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.